Hello students, here we are going to learn the different types of architectures of neural network. As you show in the headings, there are two types of architectures, feed forward and feed backward. Now all of you know the definition of the network topology. What is network topology? It is an arrangement of network along with its nodes and connecting lines. According to the topology, artificial neural network can be classified as the following kinds. Feed forward network. Okay, simple definition is it is work in forward direction only. Okay, so what is the feed forward network? It is a non-repeated network having processing units or nodes in layers, and all the nodes in layer are connected with the nodes in the previous layers. The connection has different weights upon them. There is no feedback loop, means the signal can only flow in one direction, that is from input to output. It may be divided into two types. Single layer feed forward network. The concept is of feed forward artificial neural network having only one weighted layer. In other words, we can say the input layer is fully connected to the output layer. It means no hidden layer is there. Okay, diagram shows input is directly connected with the outputs, and all input nodes is connected to the all the output nodes. Okay, like a mesh topology. Next is a multi-layer feedback network. It means in the multi-layer feed forward network, hidden nodes are used. What is the meaning of multi-layer feed forward network? The concept is of the feed forward artificial neural network having more than one weighted layer. As this network has one or more layers between the input and output layer, it is called as hidden layers. From diagram, it will get clear to you. Now here, this is the input nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3. This is the hidden layer. In this diagram, only one hidden layer is shown, but in practically, there may be more than one hidden layers are working in between the input and output layers. So all the input layers, all the input nodes are connected to the all hidden nodes, and all the nodes present in the hidden layer, and all hidden layer nodes are connected to the all the output nodes. So this is the diagram for the multi-layer feed forward network. So these are the two types of feed forward network. Which are the two types of feed forward network? Single layer feed forward network and the multi-layer feed forward network. What is the basic difference between the single layer feed forward network? There is no hidden layer between input and output nodes or output layers. And in multi-layer feed forward network, there is a hidden layer between one or more hidden layers between the input and output nodes. Okay, next type is the feedback network. It means ध्यान में क्या रखना है आपको, फीड फॉरवर्ड नेटवर्क में फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में डेटा जाता है, नो लूपिंग इज देयर, बट इन फीडबैक नेटवर्क loop may be present. It means data may be come from output to input layer. Okay, as the name suggests, now we are going to discuss what is the definition of the feedback network. As the name suggests, a feedback network has feedback paths, which means the signal can flow in both directions using the loops. This makes it a non-linear dynamic system which changes continuously until it reaches a state of equilibrium. It may be divided into the following types. Recurrent networks. There are feedback networks with closed loops. Following are the two types of recurrent networks. Fully recurrent network. It is the simplest neural network architecture because all nodes are connected to all other nodes and each node works as both input and output. From diagram, you will get the clear idea. As you compare this diagram with the mesh topology, yes, it is a mesh topology. Okay, now consider this node 1. I am taking it as a node 1. This node 1 works as input layer to the node 2. But this node 2 works as input layer to the node 3, but this node 1 becomes the output layer for the node 2 because here bidirectional arrow is there. Okay, this is simply as a mesh topology. Next is the Jordan network. Jordan network means it is Jordan network. It is a closed loop network in which the output will go to the input again as a feedback as shown in the following diagram. So in Jordan network, hidden layers are present, one or more hidden layers are present, but what is the difference? Output node gives the output layer gives the input to the input layer, or input layer gives the input to the output layer. This is the feedback network or Jordan network. I am repeating the definition of Jordan network again. It is a closed loop network in which the output will go to the input again as a feedback as shown in the following diagram. So this is as shown here. This is the input layer, hidden layer and output layer. Okay, thank you.